CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1, Classify common types of input and output device interfaces. DVI. Digital Video Interface, or DVI for short, is a graphic device interface standard that was released in 1999. That was over a decade after the release of the VGA standard. DVI had the main job of bridging the gap between old and new. Older display devices were using analog signals, while manufacturers were pushing to release newer display devices that utilized digital signals, in order to provide higher resolutions, or output better quality graphics. Improving upon VGA, the DVI connector came with a possible 29 pins. With more pins came more possibilities, including the ability to solve the problem manufacturers were faced with. With these additional pins, DVI was able to transmit and receive both analog and digital signals. Still no audio though. With up to 29 pins at its disposal, the DVI standard comes with 5 different variants. As I stated previously, DVI supports both analog and digital signals. So here is how we keep things organized. DVI-A is the analog variant. DVI-A transmits only analog signals. It is designed to transmit video signals in a manner similar to a VGA connection. DVI-D is the digital variant. DVI-D transmits digital signals only, and its connectors can come in different configurations, such as single link or dual link. In single link DVI, there is only one channel or pathway available for transmitting data, and dual link has 2 channels. With a second channel, higher quality graphics can be achieved. It sure seems like we are always on a quest for bigger and better graphics. Okay, now for the last variant. DVI-I. With DVI-I, the second I stands for integrated. This variant is a hybrid interface that combines both analog and digital signals in a single connector. DVI-I also offers single link and dual link configuration options, but these options are only supported by the digital half of this variant. That was a lot of information and worthy of a quick summary. So remember, DVI-A transmits analog signals. DVI-D transmits digital signals. And DVI-I transmits both analog and digital signals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.